Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Token Post Interview. I am here joined by Mr. Scott Chou, the project manager of AMOS. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Let's start with a handshake. So, please start with an introduction. So, could you tell us about yourself and your role at AMOS?
I'm Scott, and I'm the product manager in AMOS. I basically responsible for all the product. Like we have applications, we have platform, and we have a smartwatch launching. So I'm basically responsible for all these three products, from starts and to the mass production and to the launching day.
So, tell us, in your own definition, what is AMOS?
AMOS is a fitness technology company, but based on blockchain technology. So we want to make the fitness and sports in everyday life, but also use the blockchain technology to confirm your incentive and confirm your sports data to a safer place and for greater use.
Now, incentive, that is an interesting concept. Now, AMOS has a reward system, right? So
Yes.
could you explain the reward system behind AMOS?
With using our smartwatch and using our application, when you do you can do the biking, jogging, or running, even snowboarding. It will calculate with our AI algorithm to calculate your distance, your weight, your height, and to a precise calories. And with these calories, you can exchange to our AMOS coin. And with this AMOS coin, you can use the coin to purchase product or to back your event or sportsman in our crowdfunding platform. So when you're using the application, like we have the biking, running, or other kind of stuff, and press start, and after workout we have the record and shows that distance or time and the calories. The most important part is the calories, and with this calorie I can exchange to AMOS coin. Like this two I already exchanged my calories, and this one is new, not yet exchanged yet, so I can use it to exchange to AMOS coin, and use this coin I can purchase product on our platform.
Now, you mentioned an interesting concept, which is a crowdfunding platform, which I personally haven't heard of. So would you care to explain what exactly it means by a crowdfunding platform?
The crowdfunding platform by its mean is like for everyone that can fund your money to your favorite sportsman or sports event, or there's a lot of supplier. They have a cool idea of product or a new product that is launching, but they need your backup. Like there's a lot of crowdfunding website in the world, but this is the first, especially for the sports or for the exercise. And moreover, we're using the blockchain technology. We collect the data of that, use your AMOS coins to pay your sponsor for event, for the product. And this AMOS coin, through our partnership with the China Trust Commercial Bank or any other bank in Taiwan or in other world, they can pay the local currency to the sportsman, athlete, or the supplier. And that no one has done before in this industry. So you can back up your product or your sportsman, and the supplier or the sportsman can get the local currency.
Now, all of this is based on blockchain, right?
Yes.
Now, insurtech industry has been looking into the reward system based on exercise. However, it's the first, or it's new when it comes to applying blockchain to the insurtech world. Now, what would it mean by the implementation of blockchain? How is it going to change the current exercise-based reward system?
It's not the first, but it's pretty new technology. First, you can immediately sync your workout data to the cloud, to the server, and the insurance company can get the data like immediately, like in the 2 seconds. And the most important part for using the blockchain technology is unchangeable. So nobody can cheat or hack into to collect someone's data or to override their data.
Right,
so
right, right.
your data will be accurate and will be stored forever without being hacked or stolen.
Now, AMOS has an app ready to be launched, right? So
Yes.
currently in the mobile device field or app development field, there are currently exercise-based apps or exercise measuring apps out in the market. Now, what is different about the AMOS app then?
The most different part is the reward system.
Right.
That after you work out, we have a patent AI algorithm, which is patent, and you can have the most precise calories that you have burned. And with this precise calorie, you can exchange to AMOS coin. And this coin can be using to purchase product or event or sponsorship in our platform, which is any other sports application doesn't have.
Now, you are the product manager of AMOS, right? But when it comes to wearable devices and measuring exercises or calories, there are some ways to cheat the device. For instance, if I attach my wallet on my dog,
Yes.
it would consider that as me doing an exercise. Now, do you guys have any measures to prevent people from cheating the device itself?
The keywords for that is gyroscope. The gyroscope in our watch we have 3 gyroscope, and we have also the AI algorithm. When you move certain sports or like you walk differently from your dog.
Right, right.
So the AI and the gyroscope will sense and detect if or it's a female or the male and your height, or it's a dog, or it's your walking, or even you are sitting on the bus. It will sense like to determine what's the content in 12 seconds. So nobody can cheat by the gyroscope.
The device knows what I'm doing?
Yes.
That's a scary thought. Now, like such big companies like Apple or Samsung, they also have their own wearable devices. Now, you guys must have your own competitive strategy to pierce through the mobile device industries, right? So what is different about the AMOS app, and how are you guys going to pierce through all these competitors, big giant players currently out in the market?
Through our smartwatch and application, we have first AI algorithm, which is we have AI team already using 3 years to write and finish the AI algorithm. So our gyroscope and the way to detect your sports is different from Apple or Samsung. And the secondly is we have the incentive program,
Right.
that you can exchange to AMOS coin to purchase product on our platform. Only the platform and the watch and the application combined together, that's our advantage.
The whole ecosystem, is that
Yes,
correct?
that's
Right.
right.
Now, you mentioned a lot about purchasing products. So when users collect AMOS coin, how would they be able to spend it, or what product can they buy currently?
Currently, we have different scope, like we have equipment, we have courses, like boxing course,
Right.
and we have sports events like marathon, and we also have like accessory. Even you can purchase energy drink on the website. So we are launching in next month. We will update more and more product in our platform.
That was actually my next question. So when can the audience expect the full launch of AMOS platform, as well as the device and the app and the token economy? When can the audience expect the full construction of the AMOS ecosystem?
The platform and the application will be online on the both system iOS and Android in May, but it's only in Taiwan and China. We are looking for launching in Korea at the end of this year, and also the smartwatch is launching in June. It's globally, so like
In quite a few months, right?
yeah, quite a few months.
Is it okay if I ask how much the watch is going to be?
It's around $300.
$300. That's
USD.
currently cheaper than some of the mobile devices out on the market,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
Now, with the launch of AMOS just around the corner in a few months, would you care to leave your last comment to our Korean viewers so that they would pay attention to AMOS platform and the coming release of the watch in the few months?
Korea is actually one of the biggest economy market in the world, and also one of the leading blockchain market in the world. So as Taiwanese is very close to Korea, we really want to cooperate with any other Korean partner, and also want to open the market in Korea.
Well, that is all the questions we have today. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. That was Mr. Scott Chou, the product manager of AMOS. Thanks for watching.